having since studied Pascal and read the Pensée, I think that the wager is a good argument. And so I would defend it. And many other respectable philosophers also defend Pascalian wagering.
So
It's an
what?
example of a truth dependent pragmatic argument. Pragmatic arguments can be either truth dependent or truth independent. A truth dependent pragmatic argument means that if the belief turns out to be true, then there are great benefits accruing that outbalance any cost. If it's a truth independent argument, then the great benefits accrue for holding the belief whether it turns out to be true or not. And Pascal's wager is an example of a truth dependent pragmatic argument. If the belief turns out to be true, you have enormous benefits, and these outweigh any costs that would be incurred in case the belief turns out to be false.